Okay, everyone, so we have Summer. She's going to set her placement. We just learned about placement. So now we're going to test her to see how well she will position everything. Okay, Summer, so go ahead and get all those items so we can place everything in position. Okay. Okay, wonderful. So when you're picking up a glass, never pick it up at the mouth, right? Always hold it at the stem, yes. And even if it doesn't have a stem, never hold a glass at the mouth, because essentially that's where folks would place their mouth. So don't hold it at the rim. Great.
Yeah, let me fix that.
So you kind of want to always align the bottom of the utensils.
So more like this?
So you'd make sure the bottom is aligned where they're all going straight across. So you push that. Yes. Okay. Presentation is everything. Okay. You may turn it upright because you'll be sitting there,
to the right,
making sure the handle is on the right. Beautiful. Okay, so let's discuss the positioning of the dessert utensils. So that would not be a dessert fork. That is actually the entree fork that you've placed up there.
Oh.
Yeah, so you probably want to switch.
No. This. To this. This.
And I don't think that's the correct spoon, is it? No, I don't think that's the correct spoon. Yes. Good job. Beautiful, beautiful.
And then the third place, it goes to the left.
Okay. We have a couple more items.
This is going to go here.
A little closer to the tip of the knife.
So right here?
Yes.
Then
awesome! Good job! Okay, now have a seat, please. And you're going to tell me exactly what each item is used for. So the purpose of every item. So let's begin with the two forks on the left.
Do I take up the napkin and stuff too? Or?
Yes, please position the napkin. We're going to pretend we're having dinner. So what would you do if you're having dinner with the napkin? Fold it in half, right? And the folded side facing your stomach. Great job. And let's draw close to the table the way we should, placing your fists between your body and the table, making sure your body doesn't touch the table. Proper posture. Beautiful.
So this is our salad fork.
Salad fork.
Then this is...
Let's remain on the left. What's the second fork?
Salad fork. This is our entree fork.
Yes.
This is our entree knife. Our teaspoon. And this is our regular spoon, but I know it's not regular.
Just take a look at your setting to see what you're having.
So this is my teaspoon.
And that bowl is for your?
Oh, this is my soup. Oh, it's my soup spoon.
Yes.
And this is my soup.
Yes. And most of the time, the soup spoon is a little larger with a deeper dip. But, you know, depending on the stores, they have different types of spoons. So that is your soup spoon. Great. Now let's head to the top of your plate. What are those utensils? At the top of your plate?
Here.
At the top, those two utensils?
This is our dessert spoon and our dessert fork.
Excellent. Now on the right of your spoon is your...
This is our water goblet.
Water goblet?
Goblet.
Good.
Goblet. And this is our stem glass.
Yes, so the water goblet is a part of the stem glass family. Yes. Great. Now, what are those two items over there? That cup and...
This is our teacup.
Uh-huh.
And then this is going to be this is our teacup and...
Starts with an S.
Setting?
Saucer.
Saucer or saucer.
Yes.
Okay.
Teacup and
saucer.
Good job. And on the left, that plate is your?
Bread plate.
Wonderful. Okay, let's see. Okay, you look good. Everything looks good. Congratulations.